All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Guys, we look at the market through the lens of 5s and 3s. We put them together, see if we can find any known structures and get a sense for where the market might be going. I know you guys are freaking out. It's kind of a really coming down. But guys, there's a wave structure here that I think is a good, plausible idea. I want to present it to you. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Never intended to be that. Always just showing you the way I see the market. Please, you can stand to lose a lot of money, so please trade carefully. And anybody's idea, I don't care whose channel it is, make sure, guys, you don't trade anybody's idea blindly. You need a good risk management system and a good strategy for entering and exiting your trades. If you don't have that, we'd love to help you develop it. You can copy ours. We'd like to teach you the way we do it. We have a Discord. You can come in, and it's $40 a month, guys. It's worth every dime. And if you don't think so, just let me know. I'll refund you. No hard feelings at all. Come join the Discord. You'll find the description in the link. Just join it, become a Patreon supporter, and we'll get you right in there. With that said, we had 2 or 3 really good trades this morning. Made a bunch of money in the morning sessions, and we'll talk about what we're doing. So let's look in. Again, glad you made it. All right, don't forget to share the love in the comments as well, and hit subscribe. Guys, you can even touch it. You don't have to hit it. You can smash it. You can click it. Just click it in an even number of times. No, an odd number of times. That makes it'll stay lit. All right, guys, let's go. So the way I'm looking at this wave, guys, still looking at this ABC, but it looks like a diagonal's being formed. And that's really plausible. Really like this idea tremendously, guys. It gets everybody super bearish, but it also accounts for the 3-wave problem that we've been having. This thing looks 3-wave-ish, the entire thing. And you're like, what is going on here? And even this wave that's going straight down, there's a lot of 3-wave characteristics to it. I was like, this is perfect. A guy in our group, name is Artie, he came up with that. He's the one who saw this idea. I think there's somebody who's been watching the channel a while too, kind of was eyeballing this count, and I poo-pooed it. So I repent in sackcloth and ashes. Love this idea. I've kind of thrown away the big triangle idea, guys. I'm no longer looking into that. That's been invalidated. But I do like this as an ABC. This is one option for you, where this is a excuse me. This is a C wave of a flat. The implication then is we're going to get a rally wave. We're going to get some kind of a rally here, back up to this trend line, and then we're going to have another dip. And guys, we could totally get down to 21K or so. I'd like us to find support around 20K, and that'll finish a 5-wave move to the downside as our C wave. But guys, that's moon time then after that, because we'd be looking for a break up out of this falling or descending wedge, as a lot of people like to call them. In Elliott wave world, we call them diagonals. And this would be an ending diagonal, finishing an A, B, C move right there. So that's the way I'm looking at the market on a macro scale, guys. On a macro scale, let's look at the micro. Give you a couple of ideas there. Now there are more ideas in the market, but guys, I try not to bog you down with too many ideas. Just try to give you the main ideas that we're looking at, and it'll get invalidated, guys, if this thing breaks the low again and comes down and breaks the low. We'll probably not like the diagonal as much. So I'd like to see a reversal here. We got really good wave action off the bottom. We got a leading diagonal, looks like, on the small time frame. Let me show you what we're getting here in the small time frame off the bottom. A couple of ways to look at this count. I'm personally a fan of an ending diagonal here, but nevertheless I just shorted it because I think it's about finished. But let's see here. Let's do this right there. We could call this a leading diagonal. Looks really good for that. Looks like it has one more wave to go to the upside, actually, now that I'm looking at it. But time will tell here. We'll look at it in just a second. But basically we've got a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and then looking for 5 to finish. Looks plausible, guys, to finish out. Probably finish out until about our 2 o'clock reversal time. We get a lot of reversals about midday, so I kind of like that idea. Let's see here. Let me do something really fast, guys. I'm trading while I'm making videos here. Need to make something I didn't see as I was giving you guys some analysis, but that's good. So yeah, with that said, I think this is a good leading diagonal. If that's the case, this is part of the beginning waves of that wave that I just shared with you on the larger time frame. Looking for a 3-wave pullback of not quite that big, something like this, three-way pullback with another move to the upside. That's the way I'd be watching for it, guys. So that's the way I'm thinking about it. So I'm looking for a short to trade this wave, but that's not short forever. We would then look for another move to the upside. This can get complex. It may not happen exactly the way I drew it, guys. I'm just drawing the idea of a downward move in three waves. But as I've drawn it, who knows the shape? We can get so many different shapes, guys. That's why you got to learn Elliott wave theory, because we track the wave and we track the shape of that wave along the way, so we can figure out what it's doing. So if you need help learning Elliott wave theory, we've got a community in our Discord. Again, love to have you in there. We got good, awesome educational videos, guys. I have a free playlist on my YouTube. If you just go to my playlists on my channel, you'll find an old trading night school that I did where I taught Elliott wave and how to trade and things of that nature. So it's free. You don't have to pay a dime. But anyway, those are our ideas, guys. That's what we're watching right now. Don't freak out. This is looking good to the downside. I'm going to be watching for a three-wave move down. We could actually retest the bottom again, scare everybody. It may not get all the way down there, but it could scare everybody, and then back up we go. All right, guys, with that said, I hope that content was helpful to you and just the wave ideas that I presented. If you need any more help, just let me know. Leave some comments in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond to them. If you need one-on-one or just to have direct access to me in real time, that's what the Discord is for. Again, we invite you in. That said, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.